Hey everybody, this is Addie Van Salisbury on the Aspen Discovery team with Bywater Solutions, and today I want to talk about how to create custom forms within Aspen Discovery. So we can create any form for patrons to fill out and submit information to you and your staff. We'll do this in the Aspen administration menu. Under the Web Builder module, there's going to be a custom form section. I went ahead and created one for my favorite creatures in my house, Ollie, Finn, and Brad. So you'll give the web form a title, your alias. So this is going to be what lives after your main URL. So after aspen-model.bywatersolutions.com, including that first slash, so slash favorite creature. So now when I go to this URL, I'm going to see my form. You can require login for patrons to be able to fill out the information. The introductory text is going to be what they see right here in this blue box. And then the fields is how we generate the form itself. So you can see what field types we have by the drop down and the field type. There is a little bit of a difference between text field and text area, which you can see here. So this is the text field. This is the text area. So you can open that up a little more. And then you'll want to give it a label, choose the field type, a description if you'd like. If you choose a select list, which is a drop down, you need to type out what you want to live in that drop down by choosing or by putting in the values separated by commas. If you want a default value to be submitted when they submit and don't fill out a particular field, you can input that default value there. And then you can choose if something is required or not. If you're editing this, you can go ahead and delete if you don't need a section any longer. And if you need a new form section, you would just add new. You'll define who these results get emailed to here. And then once they submit it, what do you want them to see? It's just like, you know, you did it. Thank you for letting us know. Finally, you'll want to apply it to particular libraries if you need it to be specifically for one library and not another. And then you'll save your changes. Once you've done that, you have this beautiful form with the URL that you specified. At this point, you can send this URL along in newsletters. You can embed them right in your menus up here or over here. You can embed them in your custom pages that you can create in the Web Builder module. So the options are endless. If y'all have any questions about custom forms in Aspen Discovery, how to use them, just let us know.